Ya, dari saya, alhamdulillah bersyukur malam ini kami dapat 1 poin dan saya apresiasi teman saya kerja kerasnya malam ini karena di bawah tekanan Suporter juga kita lihat sangat luar biasa, tapi kita bisa bermain baik di depan mereka.
Selamat malam. First, I think was a fantastic environment here with the supporters of PSS Makassar, and I think not just the home team appreciate this, also away team like to see this. Unfortunately, away team cannot bring supporters. We hope that next season or I don't know, in the future we can have supporters away also. After this, about the game, inside of the pitch, I think PSS Makassar start well. We have many chances. We score a goal. After it's normal, PSS Sleman have a free kick. In my opinion, before the free kick, there is a foul of the number 5 to our player, Duapulu, Adilson, that the referee don't want to see, front of our bench. And after he make the fall, and also Arfan near of the box, before the player Bustos scored the goal, there is a fall. At least on Europe is fall. But this is not an excuse. This is the same referee that make Tirabago's performance on PSS Makassar Empat Persib 2. And I don't know, maybe on Indonesia no more referees, just this referee, because after 5 or 6 matches come make poor performance and come to make this match, because number 5 must be second kuning, kartu kuning, and it's unbelievable. Number 6 Ayub from PSS Sleman, come on. If this guy finished the match, everything is possible here. I don't have nothing against him, he's a good player, but the Wazi team cannot allow this situation. We draw, it's a point away. We are not candidates to be champion. There are other teams that have much budget than us. We have same, more or less, goal shoots than PSS Sleman. I think we have more goal attempts than PSS Sleman, but we not shoot to the goal. If we have more focus and more accuracy, maybe we can score the second. I think the 3 teams that was on the pitch, PSS Makassar and PSS Sleman, okay, but was a team. I think the football on Indonesia deserve better, because who must be the stars of the game must be the players, not the Wasit team. And this is my opinion.
Ya, dari saya, alhamdulillah bersyukur malam ini kami dapat 1 poin dan saya apresiasi teman saya kerja kerasnya malam ini karena di bawah tekanan Suporter juga kita lihat sangat luar biasa, tapi kita bisa bermain baik di depan mereka. Itu ya, terima kasih.
Okay, so no questions. I can speak. I want to say one thing for PSS Makassar supporters. Last season, club, supporters, and players, especially the players, we make a miracle together and we champion. This season, supporters not go to Pare-Pare. We don't have sponsors, and if you not help the club, I don't know what's going to happen. I think it's very important, the PSS Makassar supporters that are proud from PSS Makassar, because it's the club more oldest on Indonesia. If you have proud in your club, please help your club. The way that you can help, it's go to the stadium on home games and help the club to get sponsored. Because if not, it's very, very difficult, the future.